it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Welcome to the edit. This is going to be fun and easy and fast. I'm the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. That's a book you can get on Amazon to learn about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. So imagine getting dressed with ease, not frustration. Imagine having it be a no-brainer. So I have run my own experiment the last 2 weeks of wearing this dress every day. And I'm here to do the edit. Now that is a tool that I use every day to help me to hone my wardrobe. And it is the process of asking 3 questions. Number 1, what worked? You always want to start with what worked, and here's why. Our brains naturally are looking for the problem, naturally looking for what's wrong. And if you want to learn how to see the positive, not only in your clothing, in your body, in your appearance, in your life, then you have to practice looking for what worked. So that's why we start with question number 1, what worked? So this dress has been serving as my uniform for the past 2 weeks, and it is a very comfortable dress. It washes and dries easily. It hardly needs any ironing. I just add a different bead with it and it's a whole new look. Excuse me. It's very comfortable. It's appropriate for what I do, and it has worked. It has worked. So question number 2 is what didn't work? And we're asking that question out of curiosity, not judgment. This is not a contradiction of question number 1. I promise. It is just asking what didn't work. Just curious if there's something about the outfit that's not working for me. And that is a question you can kind of have in the back of your mind throughout the day, because you want to notice, you want to be aware of how your clothes are performing and if it is working for you or not. So there could be, okay, so I'm just gonna say what didn't work about this outfit for the past 2 weeks. What didn't work is my slip. My slips. There was 2 of them that I wore. They are both tired, so they need to go in the garbage. I hesitate because it is very hard to find a slip. But that is one of the benefits of the edit, is it gives you a action list at the end. I need to buy new slips. Question number 3 is how can I make it better? How can I make it better? And that is just, you take the answers to question number 1, question number 2, and then use your imagination to say, how can I make this better? So I do believe purchasing new slips may be the answer to that question. I also really would like perhaps a cardigan of a different color, which I know that I had to get rid of my coral one, so that needs to be replaced. It's on the action list. If it was a little cool out, I would love to wear my jean jacket with it, but we're not there yet. So all in all, it has been a fantastic experiment, and this is what I would say. Choosing a blue and white stripe for my uniform for the past 2 weeks is quite a bold statement. It's, action. I suppose if it was something maybe of a solid color, it would not be so obvious that I'm wearing the same dress over and over again. But wash it, wear it, and it has been so fantastic to not give it a thought. And like I mentioned yesterday, the freedom that has come from making this decision has been amazing, because I've been wanting to hone down my wardrobe to 10 pieces, and it's giving me the mental space to get there. Still working on it, but I do have an action list, and we'll go from there. So that is the edit for today. Thank you for joining me. I really love to see you here. And I do believe that is all. By the way, in case you don't know it, there is a new 5-day training, link in bio. It's pretty extensive. It is how to curate a wardrobe you love. So if you're curious what it would be like to work with me in my closet coaching business, grab the training and you will find out. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and we will talk soon. Bye.